Hey everyone, listen up. If someone were to unravel all the DNA in your body, it would stretch out to around 10 billion miles. Yep, that's double the distance from Earth to beyond Pluto. But hold on to your socks, that's just one of the mind-blowing things your body can do, your brain. It's a powerhouse. It runs on billions of neural connections working around the clock. Fun fact, after viewing 2,000 images in just 3 seconds, most people can recall whether they've seen them before, with 92% accuracy. Take that, elephant memory. Also, did you know you glow? Your body emits a faint bioluminescent light thanks to chemical reactions happening inside you all day. It's real. Just invisible to the naked eye, unless you're part cat or have superhero vision. Between half a kilogram to 3 kilograms of your body weight is bacteria. Grossed out? Don't be. Up to 1 billion bacteria might be chilling on just one of your teeth. And you can't even taste food without saliva. That's right, the chemicals in food need to be dissolved in saliva before your taste buds can do their thing. So next time you're enjoying a snack, thank your spit. That it may sound wild, but munching on too many carrots can literally turn you orange. Why? Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, and an overload of it can cause carotenemia, which gives your thicker skin areas, like the palms, soles, elbows, and even around your nose, a lovely, or alarming, orange tint. Don't worry, though, it's totally reversible. Just cut back on the carrot feasts. Your chin has a weird little muscle known as the thymentalis, which helps create facial expressions around your lips and cheeks. It's also the sneaky culprit behind chin wrinkles. Yup, it pulls your skin instead of smoothing it out. Here's a fun survival tidbit. You don't need all your organs to live. Some come in pairs, hello kidneys and lungs. But you really only need one of each. Also, your small intestine? It's not so small, it's over 7 meters long and actually taller than you. Your cornea, that clear cover over your eye, has no blood supply. Instead, it breathes in oxygen straight from the air. Fingerprints? You start developing your unique ones only 3 months after conception. And even if they get seriously damaged, they tend to grow back to their original patterns. Pretty neat, all humans are born with a reflex that makes them roll over. A trait that could save your life if you're ever drowning. Also, your brain. It's not smooth. But if you ironed out all its wrinkles, it would be the size of a pillowcase. Fluffy, but not very smart. Newborns blink only once or twice a minute, compared to adults who blink at least 10 times in the same time frame. Oh, and your lungs are the only organs that can float in water. They're filled with about 300 million tiny balloon-like structures called alveoli. Still, even the healthiest lungs are never totally germ-free. Your nose? It's a superhero. It warms, humidifies, and filters the air you breathe. It's lined with bony structures called turbinates and tiny, goblet cells that add moisture. It's like a tiny spa on your face. Every time you swallow food, your esophagus makes these wave-like muscle contractions called peristalsis to push it down. And your brain and gut? Besties. The gut-brain axis means your mood can totally mess with digestion. Hiccups, annoying but usually harmless, can be triggered by things like sudden temperature changes. Also, your brain gets denser over time as it makes new connections. So yes, in a way, you get smarter with age. Wanna stop a sneeze? Try pressing the skin on the bridge of your nose. That sends an emergency alert to your brain and can actually cancel the sneeze. Yep, science. Sneezing, by the way, is like your nose's reset button. It refreshes the little hairs, called cilia, inside your nasal passages. Your visual processing center is all the way at the back of your head. And here's the weird bit. Your right brain controls the left side of your vision, and vice versa. At a noisy place like a club? Press your tragus, that small bump in front of your ear canal, and point your ear toward your friend. Boom, better hearing without yelling, snoring. On average, it's around 60 decibels, like a normal conversation. But it can hit 80 decibels, which is more like a blender. Yikes, like salamanders. Humans can kind of regrow cartilage, especially in the ankles. Less so in knees and hips. Who knew we were part lizard? Some people are born with anosmia, meaning they can't smell anything. Also, your eyes never stop moving, ever. This helps you stitch together smooth visual scenes, and your brain does the editing behind the scenes. It's like having a Hollywood director in your skull. Your liver is a total champ. It can regrow itself from just 25% of its original size. Talk about resilience. Ever felt a sting from eating pineapple? That's because it's basically eating you back. Pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins. Luckily, your stomach acid knows how to handle such sneaky attacks. Believe it or not, some gut bacteria can generate electricity by releasing electrons. Shocking, right? Deja vu might just be your brain lagging. One theory says it happens when your brain sends the same info to two areas, but one is slightly delayed. So it feels like a rerun. There's even a rare genetic mutation, December 2nd, that lets some people sleep just a few hours a night and wake up totally refreshed. Most of them are early birds, like 4 or 5 a.m. types. Only about 5% of people have this gene. Ever feel your ears pop or ache on a plane? Just chew gum. It opens up your eustachian tubes, which connect your throat to your middle ears. You can also yawn to do the same. And your feet, nose, and ears can actually get bigger with age. As you grow older, the ligaments and tendons weaken, causing your arches to flatten. And yep, that makes your feet longer and wider.